In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo Website Builder. We'll start right from the beginning, so you can follow along even if this is your first time using Odoo. Once you're logged into your Odoo account, look for the website application on your main dashboard. Go ahead and click on Website to start building your site. This will open the website builder and launch the guided setup. Next, you'll see a section inviting you to get started with a simple configuration, usually described as just a few easy steps to build your site. Click the option to proceed. Think of this as the setup wizard that will guide you through the initial design and structure, so you don't have to start from a blank page. You'll then be asked to click on the type of website you want. This is where you indicate the general category or style of site you're creating. Once that's open, you'll see a field where you can type the name of your site or your business name. Enter something that clearly represents your brand or project, since this can influence the suggestions and structure that Odoo prepares for you. After you type the name, Odoo will automatically generate some website suggestions based on what you entered. Take a moment to look through these options and choose the website suggestion that best matches what you want to create. When you find one that feels right for your business or idea, click on it to continue. Next, you'll be asked about the main objective of your website. This could relate to showcasing your company, selling products, sharing information, or other goals. Select the objective that most closely matches what you want to achieve. This helps Odoo tailor the layout and features to support that purpose. You'll then see a step where you can select a color palette for your site. Choose a set of colors that fits your branding or the mood you want to create. You can always refine your design later, but picking a good palette now will give your site an immediate, coherent look. After that, you can add pages and features for your site. Here, you decide which sections you want, like a home page, about page, contact page, or others. Keep in mind that in free mode, some options and features may be limited, so focus on the essentials you need to get started. When you're happy with your choices, click on Build My Website to proceed. Odoo will generate your site based on the options you selected, and from there, you're ready to customize your pages, adjust the layout, and fine-tune the content to match your brand. Thanks for watching.